Welcome to the boss.
Good.
It's nice job.
Yeah, well,
It's like a game,
yeah, video game, yeah.
but it's really danger game.
Yeah.
You fixing the roof something? You moving something on the roof somewhere?
The hotel is building 8 new rooms
Ah,
on the backside
ah.
and the ventilation shaft.
Okay.
New, complete, all new fans and pipes and everything.
Okay. It's a good day today.
It's too hot.
Now it's coming some clouds, it's a little bit good, but before 1 hour here is too hot.
The air condition is broken in the cabin, so
Uh-huh.
I'm getting,
Usually you will be there.
yeah, go up. Yeah. Today I think it will be like 30-35 degrees inside.
And you need to stay there a little bit maybe later or no?
I need to be there all the time. So,
Oh my god. They now opening the bar there. They will refresh with some cold drinks.
yeah. Not too sneaky for that.
Yeah. I finished the delivery this morning and waiting now the new address somewhere.
Yeah. To deliver to the hotel.
Behind the hotel there some store for optics.
The kitchen.
After that, they make it the glass something there.
Yeah, yeah,
It's And you say later you go in the cabin there? You will be later there? I see this morning so many tourists here.
yeah. It's vacation now, holiday. So.
Everyone want to see the Sweden. I see now for a second time the bigger machine like this. Before in Germany, they moving one big swimming pool from the track. The swimming pool is like a whole track there, and they're using this to moving behind the house somewhere.
Yeah, I've done that too. I've done that too several times.
And with so bigger crane, the swimming pool is looking like a small thing. My ex-wife,
Yeah.
she's engineering and she building this machine usually.
In Holland.
But not here.
She's in Holland working.
No, she's in the Bulgaria,
Yeah.
but she constructing the same machines.
All right.
But I really like it, the Lund, because also maybe the Malmo, but I not stay in the Malmo, but now I stay a little bit in the Lund and I not see so, it's have tourist, but there is not like many other countries where is so much different kind of people. It's crazy.
Yeah.
I like it here is more see the local people.
Yeah.
And there is here some discoteca. Some discoteca, disco club. Our truck is there. We're still refreshing. I'm planning exactly to finish the 3 hours break here maybe. Until the receiving the order, but this big boy is coming and they want to building some more rooms there. It's crazy. And I interrupt the break. It's okay. Because you know we're moving the truck to not disturb anyone here. But when they were moving, they building 8 new rooms there. We will stay that crown maybe here 1 week. But now they thinking the truck is connected with the crane. Breakfast. And this guy will be going maybe soon there. Now it's hot outside. Really hot. Not so really, but it's from 1 to 10 is around 6. And soon will be 10. You can imagine inside in the dead cabin, and he says not working the ventilation. And anyway, he opened the windows, made something, but it's crazy. It's crazy without air condition there, not just the ventilation, air condition must be there. Or to open the windows will be possible or not. That's crazy, so scary for me. I not like it there. Fair players. And it's really good coverage for the my truck here, because you see if you close the temperature exactly. And I block the other there route, but still it's safe for people and bicycles, and it's okay. And it's so good light, and when you see so dark people, it's not so funny. But still they are trying to be good position. And he opened the end. It's so dangerous if this is going wrong. Now exploring how many stroke he have. 1, 2, 3, 4, and now it's opened the last, maybe the 5th. 1, 2, 3 hydraulic joints he have also extended. That's crazy. Someone is going to the hotel Glorier, Grand Hotel Glorier. The hotel on the future for your goods. I'm waiting them to prepare the bar to take it some non-alcohol cocktails. Or maybe to going to meet some new girl there on the disco club is opening. And for the kids it's so funny here. See, this is for first time here. You see how it's the quiet the place. In anyway, so many people is crossing this walking area. Areas, different kind of walking areas. And that's crazy. It's crazy and it's so expensive. The juice and this is around 10-15 euro. It's crazy, or a little bit more maybe. 188 Sweden kron. Krona normalno. Kako je govori tamo, da. Ja ću Sofija da se svoje štirim, pametim da se snimam sve. Stajala je top. Počivkата je top. Ние наработали сме, не сме ли? Аз не мога да ги разбера тия неща. Айде, давайте тия скапани адреси да ги действам. Така че Grand Hotel Turismo Group Glorier Goods, and that's it. The road trips I shared with you before is for like a tourist trips roads. You can exploring, discover, and what you wanna do. It's only you can do that. Good work, and soon I will escape a little bit in the hotel room, somewhere there, take one chair to wait a little bit for the order. Otherwise, outside on the cities have some rest station still. I not check it to see what's happening. But I in any way not like it the country for anymore for one day. And how is going, my people? So much thinking. Anyway, forget my people. If you just like it, solo tracks you can join for a few months to finish your passion and to find your new opportunity in the world. Maybe to take his job and to managing the crown. That's crazy. Crazy weather is now. Now it's going around 9. From 1 to 10. 9. And soon we'll be going to 10, and he must stay there on the top. He have an elevator, don't think he climbing the whole stairs up to there is 300 stairs maybe. But he will climbing he will lifting with the elevator. That's so crazy, that guy. So strong and so crazy. And now to take it a little bit sun, but I'm in any way I'm so dark. Just moving somewhere to the hotel. For nothing, I just to sit a little bit there to refresh. I'll take my course on track there to sit a little bit, and that's it for now. I'm expecting to have a destination for towards something. Okay, I will stop to capturing that moment. We take it. Exactly. Let's go to work to him. And he maybe to going on top. We'll just do the start now. Okay, let's few seconds. He closed the track. And I think he's not going yet, or maybe to go. I will see now. If he not lifting. And how is the time now? Walker is 11. 12. 11:15. 50. Almost 25. Already I take my breakfast. To catch it at that moment. Само се не знам той дали не се среди така кабина с водици, защото си е бал майката горе. Някакви гадни летящи мравки. Човечица направо не е замислене, човек. Горе сега ще е направо не ми се мисли. Не ми се мисли. Нека да не дойде да си хареса камиона. Да го взима не ми трябва. Това човек няма страх от високо. До мен е седнало младо момиче, решава се отдолу. Момиче, гони качите. Какви бели зъбки имам, браво, на мен. Ужас, качи се човека. Аз не мога да го видя, вие виждате ли го. Но сега от там вече започва цялата работа. Хванахме и този момент как се качва отгоре. И сега, какво ще прави с този кран? Отгоре ще може да вижда по-ясно явно. Но каквото и да е, тук стана много жега. Заедно. Толкова жега не е готино да е жив и здрав да си пачка. Аз стигам да седна в хотелчето и да си барам топките. Ще взема кафенцето да пина. И ще ги видя тия дали ще ме мрънкат. Да е жив и здрав да си пачка. Тук скоро ще отворят разни места. Реди човек и салфетки, всякакви нещица, покривки, какво ли не реди. Само че защо да го занимавам, като мога и някъде тук да седна на червения килим.
Hon kan ju dra med mig. Ja, jag vet.
Среща кафенце, това мога какво ли няма тук. Аз знае, съм решил като турист верно тук. Аз се майтапим, но това верно си е като турист. Ай, човека се врътка вече. Мацките идват на бачкане. Ей, слънцето се скри. Известно време ще е готино. Някой си помисли, реално че карам нещо за крана, ама не е така. Си взема тия моите кафенци да си допивам. Или да си седна пред хотела, ще го видим, до сега няма да се занимавам с повече.